Hello students, in the previous videos we have seen the first chapter of mathematics, that is rational and irrational numbers. Now from today onwards we are going to see the second chapter, parallel lines and transversals. So now before going to start these chapters, if you are not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, like it and don't forget to share it. So let's start the second chapter, parallel lines and transversal. So the first concept of this chapter is parallel line. So to understand the definition of parallel lines, let us consider one plane. So plane is like a rectangle. This is an undefined terms, but to understand is one rectangle consider as a plane. In that plane, consider the two lines L and M. Now, these two lines are in a same plane and do not intersect each others. Therefore, these two lines are called as parallel lines. So here, the definition we can write as the lines are in same plane and do not intersect each others are called parallel lines. So here line L is parallel to line M. Now the next topic is transversal. So here, to understand what is meant by transversal, let us consider the two lines M and N. Now for these two lines, the third line L intersect these two lines at 2 points A and B. So therefore, this line L is called the transversal for the line M and N. So then, what is meant by transversal? A line which intersect the two lines at 2 or more than 2 points. Such a line is called as transversal. So we can write the definition of transversal as if a line intersect two lines at two different points, then that line is called transversal. So therefore, line L intersect two lines M and N at A and B respectively. So therefore, line L is called as transversal. So after this concept of transversal, now let us see angles made by a transversal. Now as we know that transversal intersect the two lines at two distinct points. So here line EF is a transversal because it intersects the two lines AB and CD at two distinct points M and N. Therefore, this line EF makes 4 angles at the vertex M and 4 angles at the vertex N. So it means line EF makes 4 pairs of angles at the vertex M and N. Now which are these types of angles? That are already given, but we have to understand the name of these angles. Now let us see first one by one. Number 1 is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now here AME, angle AME, and angle CNM. So this is the first pair of corresponding angle. Now see the second pair, AMN, angle AMN, and angle CNF. This is the second pair of corresponding angle. Similarly, we can write the third pair, EMB, angle EMB, and angle MND, and the last pair is BMN, angle BMN, and angle DNF. So these are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Second type is interior angles. The angles which are in between the two lines. They are the interior angles. See here, AMN and angle MNC. These are the two interior angles. So here the first pair is angle AMN, and angle MNC. Second pair BMN, angle BMN, and angle MND. So these are the 2 pairs of interior angles. आता याच्यानंतरची तिसरी टाईप ती आहे अल्टरनेट अँगल्स. अल्टरनेट अँगल्स. आता हे कसे फॉर्म होतात ते पण बघणार. ते पाहण्यासाठी डायग्राम आपली हीच यूज करायची. बघा, फर्स्ट पेयर AMN हा अँगल फर्स्ट आणि याचा अल्टरनेट हा येईल. मग AMN अँगल AMN and angle MND. Easily first pair. Second pair angle BMN, angle BMN, and angle MNC. So these are the 2 alternate angles. First pair and this is second pair. But these are the angles between the 2 lines. Therefore, these are called interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. मग याच्या व्यतिरिक्त आणखीन पण आहेत. ते कोणते? एक्सटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल्स. मग एक्सटेरियर म्हणजे काय? लाईनच्या बाहेरचे. बघा, पहिला कोणता होईल? AME, अँगल AME, and angle DNF. एन एफ हा पहिला अँगल. दुसरा अँगल सी एन एफ अँड अँगल EMB म्हणजेच अल्टरनेट अँगलसाठी इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट च्या 2 पेअर आहेत आणि एक्सटेरियर अल्टरनेट याच्या सुद्धा किती पेअर आहेत? 2 पेअर आहेत. तर हे झाले डिफरंट टाइप्सचे अँगल्स. सो टू अंडरस्टँड मोर corresponding angles and interior alternate angles, let us start the practice set number 2.1. So here the question number 1 is given as, in the adjoining figure each angle is shown by a letter, fill in the boxes with the help of figure. So here the figure is given. In this figure we have to identify the corresponding angles. Angle P, its corresponding angle is W. So here we will write angle W. Second is angle Q, and angle Q चा corresponding angle X. So here we will write angle X. Third, angle R. Angle R चा corresponding angle Y. So angle Y. And fourth one is angle S. Angle S चा corresponding angle कोणता आहे? Z. So angle Z. यातलं सेकंड, इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल्स. इंटेरियर मीन्स व्हॉट? द अँगल्स बिटवीन द 2 लाईन्स. 2 लाईनच्या आतमधले. इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट पाहिजेत. मग हा अँगल एस, याचा इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट एक्स. मग अँगल एस अँड अँगल एक्स. दुसरा अँगल डब्ल्यू, याचा इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट आर. अँगल डब्ल्यू and angle R. So this is our question number 1. Now let us move to the question number 2. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angles. So here the 2 lines are there and this line is a transversal. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Basis of this angles we have to write interior alternate angles, corresponding angles and interior angles. So now let us see its solution. So interior alternate angles. So here C and E. So this is the first pair of interior alternate angles. Angle C and angle E. Now let's move to the second pair, angle B and angle H. This is the second pair of interior alternate angles. So angle B and angle H. So these are the 2 pairs of interior alternate angles. Now the second one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So here there are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. First pair, angle D and angle H. Angle D and angle H. Second pair is angle C and angle G. Third pair is angle A and angle E. And last pair is angle B and angle F. So these are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. The third and last one is interior angles. Interior angles. So here interior angles म्हणजेच काय? 2 लाईनच्या आतमधले आणि ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एकाच साईडचे म्हणजेच इंटेरियर अँगल्स. सो फर्स्ट पेयर अँगल C and H. अँगल C and अँगल H ही झाली फर्स्ट पेयर इंटेरियर अँगलची. आणि सेकंड पेयर काय होईल? अँगल B and अँगल E. So this is the second pair of interior angles.